Hey everyone, back in action here. Volume and surface area. We're looking at a cone here, and it's a bummer we're not together. I always bring ice cream cones for this lesson for my classes, so that's gonna have to be on your parents this time. So make sure that if you get all your work done today, they can take you out for ice cream in honor of your math lesson. All right, so a cone looks just like this. And we've got some dimensions here. The 9 centimeter refers to the height of the cone. And I gotta put one more on there, actually, because sometimes they'll give you the slanted side height also. So this is how tall the cone would stand, but this, since it's kind of slanted, sometimes that's a little bit less. And so we have two measurements that you might need here. The radius, about the same as the cylinder that you might have already seen. Radius is 3 centimeters here. All right, and for volume, our formula is 1/3 of the area of the base times height. So you're just gonna multiply three things here. I'll start with the area of the base. Again, that is a circle, so you're gonna have to do pi r squared to find the base. Pi r squared to find the base. And if you do that, you should get about 28.27. Again, it depends on whether you're using the pi button or 3.14. Either one works. This is what I got using the pi button, and then rounded my answer. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead actually and multiply that. Since that's the area, I'm gonna multiply that by the height. Now this is the height here, 9. So 28.27 times 9, and then you'll get your answer of 254. Whoa, 254.43. Again, that might be close to what you get if you use the pi button, or 3.14. Might be a little different. There we go. And then that last step is just to multiply it by 1/3, or the same thing would be dividing by 3. I actually like to divide by 3, avoid those fractions. We know how we all get, some of us, when we see fractions, right? We can memorize that. Yes, that can be a problem for some. All right, so last step, divide by 3, and that should get you to approximately 84.81 centimeters cubed. All right, hope you're following there. Maybe trying some of your own mart and math with this combined with art. All right, there's volume. Next step here would be surface area. So we have the same shape that I made, same shape. We have a height of 9 centimeters, radius of 3, and a slant height. Sometimes they use that represented by L. So our formula here is pi times r, okay, times r plus L. Or you can also use pi r squared times L. I'm gonna go ahead and I think use that one. It's just a little shorter, more exact, less parentheses. All right. So I'm gonna take my pi button, or 3.14. Again, remember that's up to you. My radius is 3. Now if I square that, that's gonna give me 9. So right now I'm at pi times 9. And then my slant height is 8. So I'm gonna do that there. Once I do that math with my calci, I'm gonna be at about 226 2.2, and these are centimeters surface area squared. All right, 2.26.2 centimeters squared. All right, there you go. The cone has been done. Hopefully you can enjoy some ice cream with your family tonight.